In my last video, I touched briefly a little bit on Cielo Finance, but I wanted to make a video dedicated to it in specific. Today, I wanted to talk a little bit about how I use it to discover new wallets. There is a free version of the app that allows you to track up to 10 wallets, which is really cool. And it also has a free Telegram bot. So, for example, if you start tracking a wallet, you can get notified when that wallet buys or sells a specific token, which is really nice. The Pro plan, however, is the one that I want to talk about today. This is the one that gives you access to the wallet discovery tool, and it is worth every single penny. Let me show you exactly what it does. You'll find it here on the Discovery tab, and this works for Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin now, which is super cool. And their wallet discovery tool, as described by them, is that it allows you to discover interesting wallets and add them to your feed. I'm not going to show you my feed because I track some different wallets on there that I don't want to share yet. And it allows you to filter P&L for different time frames and select different tags to view different types of traders. So, for example, right now we are on the Solana chain and we're using the high win rate tag. So, this is wallets whose win rate is higher than 75%. And as you can see here on the table, you can see this wallet had a 78% win rate over the last 30 days, I believe. And you can also see their last trade was done an hour ago. In the last day, they made 18 grand in realized profits, and you can quickly see what they bought. So they bought Cat GPT, they bought Fluff, and they bought Mineki. This is probably a wallet worth looking into just because these three tokens ran up pretty high. So that gives you a good indication that they're actually paying attention to new metas and what's going on in the Solana ecosystem. So we're going to dive into this one and see if it's worth checking out or not. We can look at their 7-day trades. It looks like those three are still it, and also the introduction of Shark Cat. So they made 6 grand off of Shark Cat. And in the last 30 days, their top P&L gainers were Bowden and Mew. So it seems like it's either a Mev bot or someone who is really aping and big into tokens with communities, tokens that are with the meta, things of that sort. So we're going to go ahead and click on the wallet address. We nailed it with the first one, so no need to go through the other ones. And we're just going to talk about it, poke around in the platform, and see if it's a wallet worth tracking or if it's a bot or yeah, let's just wait for the data to load. So the way I kind of guess or figure if it's like a real person that's trading or if it's a bot is if I see transactions that happen within a minute or so. And mevbots, I'm probably the worst to explain what they are, but essentially they are robots that I'm not even going to try to explain it. But just look up what a mevbot is. Essentially, it's not a human that's trading. But based on the activity here that I'm seeing, it is a human that is trading this. So they bought, 15 SOL worth of Tom, and then they sold it for a point 0.2 profit, 2 hours later. So unless they had a limit order set, it's not a Mev bot that's just buying and selling, back to back very quickly, like Mev bots do. So this seems like an actual trader, someone that's actually sitting in front of a computer buying things and yeah, making sure that they're actually taking profit. So on the token P&L tab, you can see their win rate, you can see their realized P&L, their unrealized P&L, and how many tokens they've been trading. So as you can see here, they've bought $205,000 worth of Maneki and have sold 236,000 worth of it, and they've made 51 grand. So this could very much well be a whale, right? Just based off of their trades. And the amount of trades they're doing doesn't seem too crazy to where it makes me feel like it's like a juke DCA or a bot or anything like that. It's just someone that's aping and really heavy and selling for 20 to 40% swings. So I mean, this is only a 14% gain, but I mean, off of 200 grand, that's $51,000. So if you're someone who likes to swing trade with size, this is probably a pretty fun wallet to follow and pay attention to because it looks like they're printing pretty nicely. And right now we have it on the 30-day time frame. You can see all of their trades in the last 30 days. You can also see their losses. So Book of Meow, they fumbled that bag. Popcat, they lost quite a bit on there. So yeah, just use your judgment on wallets to kind of pay attention to. So if you're not a whale, this might not be the most exciting wallet to look into, because the reason they're making so much is because they're aping in with size. It's not like they're, you know, buying 500 to 1,000 USD worth of a token and writing it up to like 5 to 10 million or anything like that. They're just buying really big and selling, on 14% swing, 2% swings. I mean, that's what you can do when you have uh, a lot of money and you're messing with high market cap coins. So that's essentially what I do. I just go through here. I base it off of win rate, 1 day P&L if I'm looking for someone that's like trading actively right now during this meta, which, for me personally, I'm kind of confused as far as like where the market is going. All I really know is Politify and cats. So, just click into different wallets and kind of use your best judgment to, for one, make sure it's not a mev bot, and to kind of see what they're aping into, and if it's what size, or if it's um, someone who's finding new coins early, which is always cool to see. So, for example, this guy is trading GG a lot, which is a hyped pre-sale. So again, this person's keeping up with the meta. They're understanding what's going on in the ecosystem. Doesn't look like a bot from first glance. But let's see. They're buying billions of dollars worth of tokens, so it actually might be a bot. Um, so they bought like 40 SOL here, 40 SOL there. Yeah, this might be a bot. Yeah, I don't mess with I don't mess with wallets that are buying like millions of dollars worth on brand new pairs, or like, things that just came out like a few hours ago, because that spells bot activity. But yeah, you just kind of have to go through the wallet leaderboard, use your best judgment, pay attention to the win rates and their buys and sells, and just see if they're a human or a bot. Because if it's a bot and you try to copy trade them, you'll probably get front ran pretty quickly. But yeah, it's just a matter of trying to find the right wallets, which it sounds easy to do, but it's actually pretty difficult. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video to kind of show you how to use the wallet discovery tool. This wallet's probably worth keeping an eye on, not directly copy trading, but just kind of seeing what it is that they're buying, and kind of joining on the fun as well. Hope you like this video. Be sure to share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, talk to you soon.